शुभोदय बच्चों, कक्षा में आप सबको फिर से स्वागत। हम पिछले क्लास में क्या लेसन पढ़े थे? अक्षरों का महत्व। हम जान चुके हैं ना, अक्षर के बिना कुछ भी नहीं होता है। एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल विद द लेटर्स बिकॉज वी आर लर्निंग एवरीथिंग थ्रू द बुक्स एंड ओल्ड आर हिस्ट्री एंड एवरीथिंग इज नाउ it is alive because of these letters, because something they have written, from that only we are knowing all these things. Not only on this in the books, children, on the walls of the temples, in so many places it is these letters are there, right? That's why we can know the our previous history also. Already we discussed when human has taken birth and when it earth formed, what are used to be on the earth. All these we discussed in the previous video. Now let us check the next lesson, that is page number 29, children. Page number 29, that is third paragraph. Please check from there. प्रागैतिहासिक मानव ने सबसे पहले चित्रों के जरिए अपने भाव व्यक्त किए। प्रागैतिहासिक माने प्रीवियस हिस्ट्री, बिकॉज मीन्स प्री हिस्ट्री। प्रागैतिहासिक माने प्री हिस्ट्री, बिफोर हिस्ट्री। लाइक हिस्ट्री, व्हेन हिस्ट्री स्टार्टेड, व्हेन पीपल स्टार्टेड राइटिंग, then history started. Means before they don't know the letters and all, before they didn't start writing, before that what they used to do? प्रागैतिहासिक मानव सबसे पहले चित्रों के जरिए, through the pictures अपने भाव व्यक्त किए। Through the pictures they used to express their views, because they don't know how to write and show. They don't know the language, they don't know the letters and all. That's why they used to like symbolize some pictures and they used to talk. Okay, जैसे पशुओं, पक्षियों, आदमियों आदि के चित्र। What are the pictures they used to? पशुओं, animals, पक्षियों, birds, and मानव माने humans. All those pictures they used to draw and they used to communicate. इन चित्र संकेतों से बाद में भाव संकेत अस्तित्व में आए। भाव माने expressing, like doing some इशारा. Just I'll say, means what? Come here. Means no. If you say like this, hi, right? Please, can you give your pen? Like this you will ask. All these isharas you will do, right? Those are all called expressions, right? Means after first they used to started communicating with the images, pictures, and after that they started expressing through some expressions. Okay. अस्तित्व में, see children, here the meanings are given. You can go through this. प्रागैतिहासिक means prehistory. अस्तित्व means existence, means started using. ठीक है? तो जैसे एक छोटे वृत्त के चहुओर किरणों की द्योतक रेखाएं खींचने पर वह सूर्य का चित्र बन जाता है। माने देखिए, एक छोटा वृत्त माने क्या होता है? सर्किल। एक सर्किल के ऊपर उन्होंने वृत्त चहुओर मीन्स ऑल द फोर साइड्स, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग? चहुओर किरणों की द्योतक मीन्स symbol, like they are drawing symbols like a kiran, like how we will draw sun, children. Mostly you know, right? We will do a circle and we will do like this, isn't it? Is really sun will be like this? No, but we will give this symbol, means everybody can understand that is sun, isn't it? Like that they used to they started drawing like this. चहुओर किरणों की द्योतक रेखाएं खींचने से, द्योतक मीन्स लाइक सिंबल्स दे यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ, खींचने पर वह सूर्य का चित्र बन जाता था। दे यूज्ड टू थिंक दिस इज सूर्य। Likewise, now moon means how it will be? We will draw simply, right? Like this. Star means this. Is really stars are like that? No. But we are symbolizing like that. Isn't it? The same way they used to do. सूर्य का चित्र बन जाता था। बाद में यही चित्र ताप या धूप का द्योतक बन गया। द्योतक माने क्या है बच्चों? Symbol. माने first they started this. After that, if you see the news, nowadays we are seeing news. Nowadays, in the sense, every time we will watch in the TV, no, news and all. Then when they are reading weathercast and all, what they will show? They will show sun, means heat. How much foreign heat it is. That's what they will tell. Isn't it? How many Celsius it is? All this they will tell in the news. For that they will use sun symbol. If it is a rainy, what they will do? And they will draw a cloud and water drops they will draw. Isn't it? Like that they will show symbols for everything. धूप का द्योतक बन गया। इस तरह अनेक भाव संकेत अस्तित्व में आए थे। Like that they used to express through the images so many things, and they used to do isharas, expressions and all everything. तब जाकर काफी बाद में माने आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम बाद में आदमी ने अक्षरों की खोज की. somebody discovered these letters. अक्षरों की खोज के सिलसिले को शुरू हुए मुश्किल से 4000 साल हुए थे. when they discovered these letters, how much time? 4000 साल, 6000 years back they discovered these letters. केवल 4000 साल, really only 6000 years back. इधर देखिए, in the next page number 30, some images are given. Okay children, now just check your textbook like this. From right to left you have to see these images, not this side. They have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I'll you just check the images, I will tell what it is. First one means through the images they used to express their views, no? Like what are these images? मध्य अमेरिका के ओजिम्बावा आदिवासियों के चित्र दाई ओर से बाई ओर तक को क्रमशः. means right to left we need to check. These are the Adivasi means called tribals. That is the place Onjibawa tribals means they are tribals from that place. They started using these images. Now we need to check right to left. That is तूफान का देवता जो सारे आकाश में गिरता है. means it's a cyclone. It symbolizes that it's a cyclone. तूफान देवता means all these air, wind, fire, everything they will treat as a gods, right? Means they are telling that through that symbol this cyclone is all over the sky, everywhere it's spreaded. Next, Nagada means it's a huge drum, children. Huge big drums will be there, no? In the tribal and all they will show this much big drums, right? That is called Nagada. Next, पंखों से सुशोभित नगाड़ा. The next picture is पंखों से with the feathers and all. The another drum is there. Okay. Next, fourth one, something is there on the head, right? Like a coconut leaves, isn't it? Fourth picture, that is drone kak. Drone kak means situated or directed towards the head. Situated or directed towards the head means they are symbolizing something, that something is there on the head. That is the symbol. Kawwa, the next like looking like a bird, right? That is kawwa, crow. Dronakak means इधर देखिए situated or directed towards the head means something symbolizing on the head, children. Next, कौवा, there is a bird is given, right? That is कौवा, crow. और दवाखाने में आदमी. The last image is दवाखाना means what? Medical shop. In the medical shop means not this medical shop, like olden days whatever medicines they used to get, that is called दवाखाना. दवाखाना में आदमी खड़ा है. There is a person standing near the medical shop. That is the symbol. Likewise, these are the symbols. Like not only these symbols, they used to so many symbols to communicate. Okay. Next, अक्षरों की खोज के साथ एक नए युग की शुरुआत हुई. Because they discovered these letters, there is a new century begin, isn't it? आदमी अपने विचार और अपने हिसाब किताब को लिखकर रखने लगा. People started writing and हिसाब किताब, account, everything they started maintaining records. Okay. तब से मानव को सभ्य कहा जाने लगा. सभ्य माने कौन? Civilized. Then onwards, this human being started treating as civilized people. ठीक है. आदमी ने जब से लिखना शुरू किया तब से इतिहास आरंभ हुआ. When people started writing, then onwards इतिहास माने history began, isn't it? किसी भी कौम या देश का इतिहास तब से शुरू होता है जब से आदमी के लिए लिखे हुए लेख मिलने लग जाता है. कौम माने क्या होता है? कम्युनिटी और नेशन. इधर देखिए, जब से आदमी के लिखे हुए किसी भी कौम या देश का इतिहास, किसी भी कौम मीन्स एनी नेशन और कम्युनिटी का इतिहास, वी आर गोइंग टू नो अबाउट देयर हिस्ट्री मीन्स व्हाट? तब से शुरू होता है जब से आदमी मीन्स व्हेन पीपल स्टार्टेड राइटिंग. नाउ वी आर लिविंग इन इंडिया. Now when our olden people started writing, from that time only we know the history, right? Previously what happened we don't know, because we are knowing all this history because of something they have written in the books. We are knowing from that, isn't it? जब से आदमी ने लिखे हुए लेख मिलने लगता है. We will get the written scriptures whatever, then only we will understand like when it started and all this history started. इस प्रकार इतिहास को शुरू हुए मुश्किल से 4000 साल हुए. Means when this history started 6000 years back, means people started writing from that time onwards. उसके पहले के काल को प्रागैतिहासिक काल यानी इतिहास के पहले का काल कहते हैं. मीन्स बिफोर 6000 years, what the time is called प्रागैतिहासिक, means pre-historical time, that is called, because that time what happened we don't know. अतः हम देखते हैं कि यदि आदमी अक्षरों की खोज नहीं करता तो आज हम इतिहास को ना जान पाते. If really somebody did not discover these letters, really we don't know what is history, what happened previously, isn't it? हम यह ना जान पाते कि पिछले कुछ हजारों सालों में आदमी किस प्रकार रहता था. Previous thousands of years how people used to live, how they used to survive, we don't know anything, right? क्या क्या सोचता था, कौन कौन राजा हुए इत्यादि, what they used to think, how they invented so many things and all, everything we don't know anything. And who are the kings ruled our country and all, nothing we know, right? अक्षरों की खोज मनुष्य की सबसे बड़ी खोज है. This discovering letters is the best discovery of the humans. अक्षरों की खोज करने के बाद ही मनुष्य अपने विचारों को लिखकर रखने लगे. When the people discovered these letters, they started writing their thinkings, like what they want to do and what they want to invent, something, whatever they want, their all the views they started writing. इस प्रकार एक पीढ़ी के ज्ञान का इस्तेमाल दूसरी पीढ़ी करने लगा. पीढ़ी माने generation. Like this, like whatever happened in the previously, that we are reading and learning something from that. Likewise, from one generation to another generation, through these letters only we are knowing, right? We are learning so many things from this. अक्षरों की खोज करने के बाद पिछले 4000 सालों में मानव जाति का तेजी से विकास हुआ था. Means this humans life started developing very fastly after once we discovered the letters. Okay. यह महत्व है कि अक्षरों का और उनसे बनी हुई लिपियों का. स्क्रिप्चर्स, लिपियां माने क्या होता है? स्क्रिप्ट्स चिल्ड्रन. लाइक व्हाट वी विल राइट, हिंदी इज हैविंग अ लिपि देवनागरी. लाइक एवरी लैंग्वेज इज हैविंग अ स्क्रिप्चर, राइट? लाइकवाइज यह महत्व है कि अक्षरों का और उनसे बनी हुई लिपियों का. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाट आर द लेटर्स, व्हाट आर द लिपि, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ राइटिंग वी आर डूइंग दैट. अतः हम सबको अक्षरों की कहानी मालूम होनी चाहिए. एक्चुअली वी शुड नो ऑल दिस स्टोरी, हाउ लेटर्स आर फॉर्म्ड एंड ऑल, राइट? आज जिन अक्षरों को हम पढ़ते या लिखते हैं वे कब बनाए गए हैं, बिकॉज वी शुड नो. नाउ वी आर लर्न, लाइक इफ वी सी इन आवर बेडरूम समथिंग, phone is there, who invented the mobile, who invented the computer, all this we are knowing. The same way, like when these letters are discovered, that also we should have a knowledge of it. That's why because of letters only nowadays we can gain so much knowledge, isn't it? तो कहाँ बने और किसने बनाए यह जानना जरूरी भी है. Means how, where these letters are discovered or who discovered all these also we should know. Let us try to get the information, children. By this we completed अक्षरों का महत्व. In the next video we will complete the grammar task. धन्यवाद.